Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about the most important topic in pathology, that is metaplasia. It is one of the most important 9 marks question. It is a reversible change of epithelial or mesenchymal cell from one cell type to another cell type. It is usually an abnormal stimuli. It often refers back to normal when the stimulus is removed. Metaplasia is usually divided into two types, that is epithelial metaplasia and mesenchymal metaplasia. Epithelial metaplasia is of two types, that is squamous cell metaplasia and columnar cell metaplasia, whereas mesenchymal metaplasia is of two types, that is osseous metaplasia and cartilaginous metaplasia. Epithelial metaplasia. As the name suggests, it is formed by the epithelial cells. This change may be patchy or diffuse and usually results from the replacement of stronger but less well specialized epithelium. Depending upon the type of epithelium formed, it is divided into squamous and columnar type. Squamous metaplasia. This is more common. It is capable of undergoing squamous metaplasic change only due to chronic irritation. These irritations may be mechanical, chemical, or infective in origin. The common examples of squamous metaplasia. The first one is in bronchus. It is normally lined by pseudostratified columnar epithelium. It is seen in chain smokers. Now, the second example is of uterine endocervix, which is normally lined by simple columnar epithelium. It is mainly seen in prolapse of uterus and in old age. In gallbladder, which is normally lined by simple columnar epithelium, it is a chronic cholecystitis. In prostate, it is lined by simple columnar epithelium. It is normally seen in chronic prostatitis and in estrogen therapy. In renal pelvis and in urinary bladder, which is normally lined by transitional epithelium. It is seen in chronic infections and stones. In vitamin A deficiency, apart from xerophthalmia, this squamous metaplasia is seen in nose, bronchi, urinary tract infections, in lacrimal and salivary glands. The examples are very important for examination point of view. In columnar metaplasia, there are several conditions in which there is transformation of to columnar epithelium. The common examples are in intestinal metaplasia. It is seen in chronic gastric ulcer. Then, in Barrett esophagus, the normal squamous epithelium is converted into columnar epithelium. In bronchitis and bronchitis, it is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium get converts into columnar epithelium. In cervical erosion, the internal part of the cervical gland gets elevated into the outer part of the cervical, that is, into the vagina. That is, the endocervical gland mucosa gets elevated into the vagina. Now, mesenchymal metaplasia. It is less often, whereas the epithelial metaplasia is more common. It is the conversion of one adult type to another mesenchymal type tissue. It is of two types, that is osseous metaplasia and cartilaginous metaplasia. In osseous metaplasia, the formation of bone takes place in fibrous tissue, cartilage, and myxoid tissue. The common examples of this osseous metaplasia is in atrial wall in old age and in soft tissues in myositis ossificans and in cartilage of larynx and bronchi in elderly people. In scar of chronic inflammation in the fibrous trauma of tumor. The second type is cartilaginous metaplasia is seen in healing of fractures. It may occur when there is undue mobility.